Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this makeup tutorial. Wow, teehee raw. I wanted to do like a bronzy summer glowy, like not glam, because I wouldn't call this glam, but like natural everyday, but like really put together. Got it. Summer bronze natural glam glowy makeup tutorial. Yay, that's what the title's gonna be, not long-winded at all. Yeah, this is like what I do like every time summer comes around. I just whip out every bronzer that I own, every highlighter that I own, and chuck them all on my face. So if you want to see what I did, just keep on watching, because that's what today's video is. But before we get into it, we know what I'm gonna say. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, turn on post notification bell as well, and that way you don't miss any of my uploads. Yes!
That was so aggressive, wow.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure that's all for the intro. So if you want to see how to get this makeup look, just keep on watching and let's get on with the video. I don't know what way it goes, but like, let's just go both. It looks like I'm doing some weird like... Okay, enough of that, right? I just tried to fix my camera. Well, not fix, it was at a weird position, so I tried to like move it, and now I've realized that it's broken. So, fun. This is just at such a weird angle, this camera today, but you know what? Basically, what I'm gonna be doing today is like a summer glam, glowy, not glam, but like everyday glowy summer makeup tutorial. I'm going with my Glam Glow Moisturizer. For glowy looks, obviously you want to be moisturized. So this is my Glam Glow Volcasmic Matte Glow Moisturizer. It's my favorite thing. Oh, this is so freaking moisturizing. I live. My skin feels so much better. I'm not really the biggest fan of primer at the moment. I don't know. I just prefer using this, which is actually primer. It's replenishing primer and setting spray. So it's like a spray primer. I guess I'm contradicting myself, but we're going with it. It's by Too Faced. It's the Hangover X spray thing. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. The angle of this camera is just annoying me today, but we're going with it, I guess.
What is up with my voice? It sounds different.
So let that soak in for a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this Liquid Glow by Anastasia in the shade Peach Fizz. I'm gonna just like dot it onto my skin, just over here. I'm not really gonna blend it in, yeah, like random really. And then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the shade Sand, and a little bit of my Dior Forever foundation as well in the shade 30. I'm gonna blend that out with a beauty blender. I know this looks dark, but my fake tan is
on a bit of a mission right now.
I accidentally put way too much of it on and
it's dark.
So I kind of just have to work with it for now. Oh, I love the feeling of a cool beauty blender on your face. How are we feeling about this summer weather though? You know, are we liking the hotter weather or are we wishing it was cold again? I feel like British people always want it to be summer until summer actually comes and then we just complain about how hot it is. Sorry, I feel like I'm really not looking in the camera. I feel like I haven't done like a sit down makeup tutorial in like a hot minute, you know? Like, I don't know, you guys always like them and they're like your favorite kind of videos from me. So probably I should do them more. I've just been like doing more
weird videos. There's still soap in this.
Well done, Kirsty. Ew, there's literally soap in my beauty blender. Guess we're going with it. So I can't find my Too Faced concealer, so I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I need to wash the soap out of this 1 minute. That feels a bit cleaner, but I don't know. Went in with my L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I don't know what shade it's in, but it's in a really light shade. And then I mixed it with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This is in the shade Canal. For like natural summer glow makeup looks, all you want is like a lot of cream or liquid products, highlighter and bronzer, and you will have like a pretty summer glowy look. I'm gonna go with my RCMA foundation palette. I'm gonna take some of the darker shades and I'm gonna use it as like a cream contour.
There is still soap.
My beauty blender, do you hear the noise that this is making?
We all know who's gonna break out tomorrow.
This gal. I put so much soap in it trying to clean it because it was like beyond dirty. Oh my god, listen to this. That's the noise of... Oh, it's just not my day. No. Oh, I just dropped my freaking thing on my shoes. You know what though? No matter how bad my day is going, she's still gonna look snatched, okay? That's the motto of this video is no matter how bad your day's looking, you can still achieve. Oh, I need to get my mustache waxed. Guys, I really need to get my mustache waxed. I'm like 12 and don't know how to book an appointment for myself, so I keep asking my mum to book one for me. I know, I'm literal 12 and she hasn't done it, so. I'm also setting my concealer into place and I forgot to blend out the creases, but we're just gonna go with it. With my RCMA, who are we? Me a year ago?
No.
My Laura Mercier powder. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna mix together the Laura Mercier Glow powder, the Laura Mercier normal powder. I'm gonna take the normal powder into my smile lines because
we do not need any more attention onto my mustache.
For the rest of my face, I've just mixed together the glow powder with the matte powder and I'm just pressing it in, looking cute all over my forehead. Okay, I'm gonna like take it onto my chin as well. You guys know I hate like a sweaty looking chin, but I feel like it's okay because it's like half matte and half glowy, so I won't be too sweaty looking. By the way, when I mean a sweaty looking chin, I mean like a...
Oh my god, I've got the worst itch.
This base is kind of looking pretty though. I like it. Okay. Oh my god, the itchiness in my nose. If anyone else has hay fever, you can
Oh my god, okay.
You can relate. So I'm just cleaning off a MAC 217 because it's currently dirty. And then I'm going to go in with my RCMA foundation palette again. I'm going to take one of the like medium dark shades and I'm just going to put it onto my eyelid. Kind of like through the crease, just creating like a natural shadow. I'm taking this one and I'm mixing it with like that one. So it's like a medium and a dark one. That just creates like a natural shadow onto your eye. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like way less harsh than using like powder shadow. It just blends really nicely into your eye. So we're doing a summer makeup tutorial. Let's talk about summer. Anytime I say summer, I just think of, you know, the scene in High School Musical 2 when it's like summer, summer, summer. Yeah, that's what I think of. This is MAC Give Me Sun, by the way. I'm taking this over the top of the cream shade that we used and I take this really far out on my eye. This is on a Zoeva Luxe crease brush. Okay, so summer, what are your plans? Who's going to festivals? I need to organize my festivals now. I want to go to LA so freaking bad, so maybe that as well. And also, if you don't know, my 18th is on June 29th. Why did that take me so long to think about? Save the date, ladies. I am so excited for my birthday.
Watched out, everyone in the whole of England, basically.
But finding an 18th party venue has been the biggest nightmare of my life, probably. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Marc Jacobs bronzer now. I just use so many bronzers and highlighters. It's a bit of a joke, but yeah. I'm gonna go into Sub-Zero. I'm gonna take the shade Lifestyle, which is this one right here. It's like a deep bronze shade, and I'm just gonna take that onto my eyelid. I'm kind of not into eyeliner at the moment, so I'm just going to take my matte small dot eye pencil. The way I do this is I just sort of follow, like there's a little line there that's just natural. I just follow that line to just extend my eye a little bit and then I blend it out. So now I'm taking the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. I just take it in my inner corner. I'm going with my brows now. It's in the shade Medium Brown. You will ask about my eyebrows. I just naturally have quite dark eyebrows and quite thick eyebrows. Fun fact, I'm a quarter Portuguese. I got the brows. I just fill in the arch and then I drag it down towards the tail and extend it outwards rather than down. Yeah, my eyebrows need to be plucked as well. I actually do my own eyebrows, so I could do those when above. They are not looking their best. They're my eyebrows. I know they don't look the same,
But we're going with it.
they look intense, or is that just me? Whatever, we're going with it, we're going with it. So I'm gonna go with mascara. I don't really like doing lashes in the summer. I don't know, I never do. I never really feel like it. This is the L'Oreal, nope, not L'Oreal, Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. I think I'll probably just do mascara today. Unless my lashes are really like struggling, then I'm probably gonna stick on a lash. Okay, so my lashes are definitely struggling, but the question is how much. I'm going with the Morphe M405 and my Marc Jacobs bronzer. I'm just gonna put that into the hollows. As I said, I feel like for a summer bronzy glowy look, all you really need bronzer, highlighter, and yeah, that's it really. You guys don't like how much bronzer I put on,
but look how tanned I am on my neck.
like I need to try and balance this out somehow. Okay, I'm now gonna go in with, actually no, not that. I'm gonna go in, yeah, not that either. I'm gonna spray my face. I'm going in with Wet Dream highlighter by Jeffree Star. It's like a Supreme Frost. I just had to reach down like so freaking far to get this brush.
It better be worth it.
This is a Luxie pencil brush and I'm just gonna highlight under my brow. I take this highlighter so low down. Itchy nose, okay. Oh, itchy nose again, itchy nose again. Oh, again. I'm highlighting my nose. Oh, I made my nose crooked. I made my nose crooked. She made her nose crooked, everyone. I'm going in with Body Oddy Oddy from the Sub-Zero Glow Kit and I'm taking it like over my forehead and cheeks to make me look glowing because this is a summer glow makeup tutorial. Yes, honey. Bronzer again. I'm just taking, this is my Marc Jacobs bronzer under my eye. I'm going with a little bit of Give Me Sun as well under my eye. Now I'm gonna apply mascara again. My lashes need all the help they can get. I just heard someone sneeze so loudly, not once but twice, and it was like the loudest 2 sneezes I think I've ever heard. I'm gonna quickly go and do my hair because it's in a bit of a state, let's be honest. I'm gonna change my top because this does not scream so much of me. I don't know about you. I'm gonna do my lips and everything for you guys. I changed my top. I didn't fix my hair because I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna put it in braids, but like putting it like half up, half down braids is hard now that I've got tape extensions. I'm just gonna leave it. I also did try to pluck my mustache a little bit, but it didn't work that well. And I did also have to shave my armpits because I'm wearing a sleeveless top.
What's new?
I'm going in with MAC Boldly Bare lip liner now. Okay, I'm also gonna go over it with a little bit of Soar lip liner by MAC. I'm just gonna put some Vaseline on and then some boho lip gloss by Morphe. Smashbox lip gloss in Actors Guild, I think. I love an extreme glossy lip. You guys don't have to take it that far, but you know, it's me. I took it there. I just remembered my collarbone. This is my biggest trick for summer and I'm about to share it with you guys. Why? Because I love you. So, we all know the basic highlighter on the collarbone. I feel like it makes a big difference, but then she does something more. I'm taking Body Oddy Oddy. I'm just putting this all over my collarbone. Well, not collarbone, like chest area.
What was that noise?
Like a little hi, I'm here moment, you know? And then I'm also just gonna take like matte bronzer on a little brush and just to make it look like I'm a super skinny legend. Fake it till we make it, ladies. And then when the sun hits, you're like a little... Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe if you're new here. Turn my post notification bell as well for more uploads and you don't miss them. Yay, I
Definitely lost my words there, but...
If you want to see more of my face, my social medias are in the description box. As always, you know the drill with that. If you do recreate it, make sure you tag me in your photos. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, love you. Mwah.